Contractors, imagine sending out one SMS message that drives $400K in revenue into your business. The challenge is you don't know how to do this. But I had another contractor that called me up that said he had no predictable, reliable flow of leads. And that was his struggle point. And I was able to jump in, show him how, by step, how a database reactivation campaign works inside of a CRM that drove him that 400K in less than 6 weeks. So it's possible. It's really possible if you know what you're doing. So hit me up, join our community in SKOOL, which is a free community. You'll find the link somewhere on this page, and learn how to do this so that you can get out from working the tools and get on to building your business. Paul Meyers, thank you.